Hi Dyson, welcome to today's science lesson. Okay, let me share my screen. There we go. Okay, today in science, now yesterday we did the cold task, didn't we? Today we need to learn what the different weather symbols mean. Okay, so our learning objective is, can I identify different weather symbols? Okay. Before we do that, can you tell your teddy or your mum and dad or one of your siblings what are the four seasons? Have a think and talk to them about it. We need four seasons. If you didn't write them all down um, for the cold task, then ask your mums and dads or see if you know at least some of them. Okay, we're going to learn what they are now. So, okay, what season is it in this picture? And how do you know? Okay, tell me what the season is that you think it is first. I think you're right. It's winter. My turn. Winter. Fantastic. And how can you tell that it's winter in this picture? Hmm? Well, it is cold, snowy, icy. You could describe it as freezing. You can see some deciduous trees here, can't you? And they haven't got any leaves on. And we know that deciduous trees don't have any leaves in winter. In winter, we also have Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas, or the winter holidays for school, don't we? So that's how we remember what winter is. Okay, what season do you think this is? Can you tell me? I think you're right. It's summer. Fantastic. And how would you know that it's summer in this picture, though? What do you think? What clues are there? Hmm? Well, yes. In the summer, it is sunny normally, isn't it? Hot. People often go to the beach in the summer, don't they? Um, there's ice cream in the summer, and it's the summer holidays. That's how we remember what the season is like in the summer. It's usually what it's like in the summer holidays. Okay. What season is this then? Well done if you said autumn. Autumn. Fantastic. And how do we know that it's autumn? What clues do we have? Oh, well, there's lots of leaves on the floor, aren't there? The leaves are all yellow and orange. Ah, yes. There are falling leaves in autumn. The temperature is usually a little bit cooler, so it's definitely not as hot as summer. The leaves change colour, and we start school in the autumn, don't we, in September? Okay, and our last picture, what season is this? Hmm, well done if you said spring. And spring is the season that's just about to start. It's so exciting because when we get back to school, we planted, do you remember, some bulbs and they're starting to grow. And spring is when all of the flowers start to grow. Baby animals are also born in spring. Trees start to blossom in spring and grow their leaves. It gets warmer. It was definitely warmer yesterday. And trees are green in the spring. That's how you know it's the spring. So, what I would like you to do is write down what the weather is like today. Okay, So if it's rainy, you could write rainy. If it's cloudy, you could write cloudy. If it's warm, you could write warm. If it's cool, you could write cool. What I'd like you to do is look outside, go outside, write down some ideas about what the weather is like today. Pause me and do that now, okay? Okay. I would now like you to pause me again. This time, talk to your partner or your teddy and try and name all the different types of weather that you know, okay? Pause me now and do that. Well done. Okay. There are lots of different types of weather, aren't there? And we're about to learn about some, okay? First, there are some different ways that we can find out what the weather's like. So we don't just look outside the window and say, oh, I see the sun, it's sunny. There are different ways that we can find out what the weather is like. And special, really highly qualified people create forecasts. So they look at the wind direction and different things to predict what the weather is going to be like. So we can look at, and this is called a forecast or a weather report. We can look at the forecast and actually see what the weather is going to be like in the future. It's like telling the future. It's amazing how they do it, because usually it's close to being right, which is magic, don't you think? So have a look at this forecast. And this was for a very, very hot day in Slough ages ago. Okay, and have a look here. I'm going to tell you what these different parts mean, okay? So these numbers here are the time. So in the forecast, they predict the weather change over time, okay? These symbols kind of give you a quick summary about what the main types of weather are going to be like at that time. So at 4 o'clock, it said it's going to be cloudy with a little bit of sun. The same at 5 o'clock, the same at 6 o'clock, but then at 7 o'clock, the sun is going to disappear and it's only going to be cloudy. And then at 8 o'clock, oh my goodness, this darker cloud with a raindrop is going to happen, which means kind of stormy rain or dark clouds and rain with some sun as well. Now these orange boxes are the temperature that it's going to be at that time as well, and these are the wind speed, so they can predict all sorts of different things about future weather. Okay, now let's learn about the different types of symbols and what they mean. Okay, so I think we should play a guessing game. What do you think this symbol means the weather is going to be like? Sunny! Well done. Okay, how about this one? Good, this one means sunny with a little bit of cloud, or sunny and cloudy. Okay, what do you think this one means? Well done, snowy. It's going to snow. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. What do you think this one's going to mean? Well done if you said rain. This is supposed to be heavy rain. So when you see this symbol, it means it's going to rain. How about this one here? Well done, cloudy. And this one here? Ooh, thunder and lightning. Okay. Now we've looked at the different symbols, here comes your task. I would like you to draw them. You can colour them in. and I would like you to write the type of weather that goes with each symbol. Okay, so you can draw the sun, and then next to the sun, I'd like you to write sunny. That's the type of weather that it's going to be. Next to, I'd like you to draw snow, and then write snow next to the symbol, okay, to tell me what it means. I would like you to do that for all the symbols, okay? And here, I've given you the words so that you can copy, magpie the spellings off there, okay? Oops. Okay, and here is your challenge. I would like you, for your challenge, to predict the weather. So there are 2 challenge questions. What do you think the weather will be like tomorrow? So I'd like you to write this sentence. I think the weather will be, you could write cloudy, sunny, whatever you think the weather's going to be like tomorrow, okay? And the second challenge question is, what would you draw for a symbol if it was windy? Okay, I'd like you to draw a symbol of what you think we could use to show it's windy. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is draw all the symbols and write what they mean. And then the second part is the challenge. Okay, well done, Dyson. Don't forget to post all of that work to Tapestry so I can see it. Okay, bye.